Right, sorry for the delay folks. I have to take a little bit of a break there. Just take 5 and let my back recover. Now, I'm going to hang this door, and whether it's rather silly of me or not, I'm actually going to do my usual and hang it myself. However, if you have someone available and they offer to give you a hand, take it, because the chances are you might be doing this with the glass and everything else in this door as well, and it's a heavy door. It takes absolutely seconds for it to let go, trap a finger while you're pushing a hinge, or even just falling and wasting all your hard work. So don't be as stubborn as me and take the offer of the help and you've got it. Into the hinge space, and we're doing reasonably okay. With that, it's just a rather small pointy tool that I've used to locate the door, and as I said, we can't gain access. Sorry, I'll bring that around here a little bit more. We can't gain access on the inside to these plates like on the later cars, so you can lift up and down. So I need to think of easier ways to get it in. Now, this is my own preference, that we get at least one in. Like that. So if the door slips like that, we can catch it. Second, so we'll just get one of these through the holes at the bottom. One through it. That's another through. Dear. I keep saying to young people, don't get old, it's really bad for you. So once again, these are the remanufactured plates from Colin Rooney. Just get one into place. very, very closely for disconnectors, you will actually see inside the white paint around about the red primer with the door hinge. Actually, plate goes in the back. It shows you how really little paint they actually put in these things. Absolutely a piece of nonsense. But we now have them in, and you can see here where me adjusting it was hitting the pillar. So we'll see how we can get it in now. If I can get this camera back in its damn mount. So let us see at first pass. One just still too loose. So that roller side will not give me anywhere near the side grief. See that I've not got the door far enough in. But let's see how we're doing height wise. Bottom one needs to come out. not instructions. Mention of sockets being jammed into bend these hinges, bend the frame in here, and while, yeah, that's how the cruel people treated their imps in the factory. The fact is that the process isn't a gentle one, it's not a precision one. Regardless of how it's approached, it's a brute force fitment because it just doesn't fit right. Let's see how we do now. And a lot closer. That literally was down there before I gave myself the adjustment to bring it up. Gaps a little bit, as if the top could drop a little bit, but the gap, the line is the same distance down on both sides, so the door itself does need to still come up a little bit or go that way. Which, if I look at this inner hinge where we looked at the primer, I can still see primer, so let's just do a little tweak. There you go. Alright, don't give me any nonsense. I'll say the new hinge pins are doing lovely, and that other than being a pretty poor door gap and still leaving the door twisted a little is not actually that bad. We are nearly there here. Door still needs to go this way, which is likely because I took that top hinge in. So just to demonstrate the difference, I will you don't need to go miles here. I've only shifted it in almost millimetres. And you can see how much better it's starting to sit now. So I won't bore you with the next hour that it's going to take me to get this door sitting properly, and by an hour I really mean an hour, because the adjustment up that I took out with the grinder, the die grinder, is just not enough. I need another 2 or 3 millimetres, and while we've got the clearance down here now, the hole clearance here, well, here is still not enough, so I'm going to get the die grinder back in, take another few millimetres out.